ne obagi e kaunti ma Embu. Nyasi no kiny notel ne gi jatend piny Kenya men William Ruto. Igeno ni odhi ywayo welo kod jopiny bende. Jatend migawo mar arita kwe Raymond Omolo ne otimo limbe alap ma Moi Stadium Embu kama kiny nyasi no timore. Omolo no yango ni ikruok ne kare ne nyasi no. Jatend migawo mar tuke Ababu na Mwamba bende no yango ni nyasi no dhi loso e wi weche ma mulo dongruok nyaka sekta mar tuke bende.
The stadium is ready for the celebrations tomorrow, which will be presided over by the President, His Excellency the President. We expect a host of dignitaries, including the leaders and the public, particularly from Embu County, but also from the rest of the country. We have the head of state of the Comoros Republic, who will be the guest of the President.
We want to say that we are very happy with the manner in which this project has been undertaken. In a record 15 weeks, at a cost of 476 million shillings, we have been able to completely transform the face of this facility.
Mane wuono ne Raymond Omolo.